Hello, everyone. My name is Gaston Bithi, and I'll be your coach for today. I'm going to take you through variables in Python. And the first thing I would like us to understand is what are variables. So, as you can see on this side here, we have some boxes, box A, box B, box C, box D, box E. These are all toy. These are all toy boxes, and then on this other side we have some toys. So the first thing I would like you to try to imagine is, or what I'd like you to try to imagine is a variable is a box or a container where you can store something. For example, we have these toys here. So, for example, you can have any of these toys stored in box A. You can pick any of the toys, store them in box B, box C, and box D, and also box E. So all these boxes are what we call variables. Now, the next thing we need to understand is what variables are in Python. And from what we have seen in the previous presentation, yeah, um, it's a name that stores some information. The way we were labeling the boxes are box A, box B, box C, box D, box E. So a variable is a name that would store some information. And from the previous presentation again, the information you're talking about now is the toys. The toys refer to the information, and the box refers to the variable. Now, the other thing we need to talk about is the types of variables that we have, and I'm going to talk about three main types of variables that we have. The first one is numbers. So we can store numbers in these variables. For example, if we say age equals to 10, uh, age is the variable, and 10 is the value that we are storing in that variable. And then when you talk about strings, these are things like text. For example, as you can see here, we have name equals to Alex. So Alex, let's say for example, Alex is 10 years old. So name equals to Alex, and then the age equals to 10 years old. For example, if Alex was, let's say, okay, let me not go that route. Let's go to the other one, booleans. So booleans are either true or false. So, for example, if Alex is a student, then true. If Alex is not a student, then false. So those are the three types of variables that we have. Then let's talk about let's do a quick interactive session. So what I'd like each of you to do is I'd like you to take I'd like you to pick any variable name you'd like and then assign it a value. For example, as you can see here, we have variable name, favorite color is equals to blue. So I need you to pick any color you like and then assign it a variable. And you can also add more details. Like, for example, it's not a must for you to pick a favorite color. You can decide to choose something like maybe favorite school or which school you go to. And then my school equals to into quotes school X. And then you can try to print your school or anything that you're going to assign here, and we see how it goes. So let me head straight to Visual Studio Code, which is going to be our editor, and we see how it goes. So I already have a file, so variables.py. So for example, I'm going to have, let me just go with favorite, sorry, let me just have fav underscore color is equals to, let me say black, and then I can try to print that color. So print, and then into brackets, fav color, and then we see how it goes. So for you guys, you can choose anything. You can say fav underscore school, feb underscore maybe charge, feb underscore anything you want, and then you assign a value here. Let me see how it goes. So let me try to run this code. So to run the code, you're going to type Python on the terminal. Let me close this so that I can show you how you open the terminal. Um, so after you're done typing your code, so you'll come here, new terminal, and then it will automatically pick the directory where your variables file is stored. So we just type Python uh, 3 variables.py and then enter. So as you can see here, we have black as my favorite color, and yeah, that's it. So try to practice that your own time, and then see how it goes. I hope you're going to find it fun and amazing, something that is awesome, because working on code is more fun while as you keep on practicing it rather than just learning it in class and then closing your book and then waiting for the next class. So try to practice with variables and see whether you can do a thing or two with what you have learned today. So yeah, that's it from my side, and thank you for being attentive and for attending the session. See you soon.